Okay, I'm Samantha and this is Amanda, and we're doing this for our YouTube account, Amanda19, and we're going to do the cinnamon challenge. Okay, so here we go. See, 1 tablespoon, and you have to promise to try to swallow it.
I will.
Do it over the table so you don't drip on yourself.
Too late. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Mm.
Mm. Mm.
I'm gonna go upstairs. I have to go.
Oh my god.
And that was our attempt to do the cinnamon challenge. Amanda's upstairs, like kind of puking, so bye.